Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Wally Gator, IBEW Inside Journeyman Wireman. Got this channel up for you travelers or wannabe travelers or just curious. Show you how I'm doing this traveling as a union electrician. I'm by no means a professional YouTuber. Just trying to show you guys how I'm doing this traveling as a book two hand. I'm traveling around the country, mainly north and south, from Florida all the way up to Illinois. That's where I'm at now, Illinois, and I'm from Alabama, local 136. And our job ended September 22nd, and so I came out here after that, went home for a little while. I've been trying to get ready to go hunting, and deer season came in. This is nearly the first week of November, and I came up here about 7 days ago to start deer hunting. It's very hot weather right now. It's I think 74 today. So I went this morning, saw one doe, decided to go scout around. That's how I've been doing it. I was working out here at the Gibson station, local 16. That's how I discovered this place about 5 years ago. So I just Googled public land near me and looked up that it had deer hunting, and here I am. So with the layoff, I was able to draw Illinois unemployment, which is I think $5.78 a week. They do it bi-weekly. I did get them to cut taxes out correctly, so it's going to be $4.91. I've done got a couple of checks while I'm moving up the books in book two, getting further up the line so that I can catch another call pretty soon. Maybe I'll have time to deer hunt and kill me a big deer. I've went a few times, seen a few bucks, but none that I wanted to harvest. One of the things you got to find when you're doing this like I'm doing is you find a butcher shop, cause it's hard to do this living out of a motel or just doing primitive camping like I'm doing. So I found a butcher shop's about 45 minutes away. They'll gut it, butcher it, do everything you want, or you can gut it yourself and let them take care of the rest. But I went to them last year and they made some of the best deer meat I've ever had. Now, this is over in Indiana. This is not Illinois. It's just across the line over in Indiana. It's called Seavers Meat Processing. They do, of course, cattle, pork, sheep, and deer, goats. They do it all. And I called them a while ago just to make sure, hey, if I kill a deer today, are y'all gonna be open? She said, yeah, we'll be open to 9. As soon as you get one and you got your hands on it, go ahead and call us. That way we can make sure that we're here. Don't call me at 1 a.m. and say I got a deer for you. But they do have a drop-off spot where you can drop it off, I guess. Hadn't done that. They were open last year when I went by there. Excellent meat. They made some deer bacon, they call it. Really looks like a piece of bologna. It's thick, and you fry that stuff up, and it was some of the best deer I've ever had in my life. I told one of my sons, or both my sons, I said, I think this year I may get the whole thing in deer bacon. Some beautiful woods up here to hunt. Get the whole deer in deer bacon. But when I get one, I'll change the thumbnail of this video to maybe a picture of a frying pan with deer bacon in it. But that's one thing you got to find. Of course, there's a motel down the road I can get, which is Super 8. I can get one of them, but the primitive camping has been so easy the past 7 days because the temperatures have been so warm. So $8 a night to go out of state deer hunting. I'm making up for the cost of the license and the for the deer hunting permit stamp and license, because that was right around $500 for a non-resident to get a hunting license here in Illinois. That's for a buck and a doe or 2 does. So that's I also bought for $300 more a firearm season tag. That'd be like November the 17th, 18th, 19th, then the 29th, 30th, 1st, 2nd, something like that. So I think it's about 7 days of firearm season. Those, don't quote me on those dates, they're not exact, but something like that. I'll go further up north to another place I discovered and hunt up there when I was working in Joliet, local 176. Worked up there last year, discovered Goose Lake Prairie, and I'll go up there during the firearm season. Seen a lot of deer up there. None I wanted to shoot, so I'll try my luck with firearms up there. You cannot firearm hunt here at this public land I'm in. This is archery only, so been going here about 5 years and like it. I've taken a few deer off of it, so it's real convenient for me. Plus, I may want to catch a call at local 16 or local 702. Local 702 is just down the road, so they got the Boonville solar farm. So, you know, I just finished up a solar job and might go do another solar job over in Boonville, Indiana. But it's still local 702. Which is West Frankfort, Illinois, is the city of the 702 local. So anyway, just showing you guys a little bit of how I'm doing it as a traveling union electrician, book 2. And I pretty much have the place to myself. I guess everybody knows it's too hot to be hunting, so there was a lot of people here this weekend. It was quite crowded. You'll see deer hunters, tree stands here and there as you're walking through, but man, look at this view. You just got to go with the flow when it comes to that. Don't get discouraged because there's other hunters there. Hey, they're doing the same thing as you. In fact, I met some guys from Georgia. We started up a conversation because he said, hey, I'm from Atlanta. I'm I think he said local 613. If I'm wrong on that, sorry, but he's a union electrician. He's retired now, and he come up here wanting to deer hunt, him and his 3 friends. So they've been looking around everywhere. Look at the size of some of these trees. Huge. Sun's starting to set. I met another guy. He was a union electrician. He come up, started a conversation. He saw my IBEW bug on the back of my Tahoe, and he had got into management, but he still kept his ticket. He was out of Texas. I don't remember what local on him, but he was a local IBEW member. So it's nice to run into other brothers when you're out on the road and they're doing the same thing as you. So all you young guys who've got no attachments, you can do stuff like this as soon as you turn out, hit the road and go wherever your hobby may be. It may be you've always wanted to surf. You could head out to California, live that life out there. Plenty of work out there. You may be into fishing. Go where all the best bass fishing is around. Catching jobs while you're there, catching calls. You may even settle down and just stay. Some guys were telling me about, because Hawaii's got work in Alaska. And when I talked to dispatch in Alaska a few weeks ago, he had been living in Illinois, grew up in Illinois, went to Alaska on a couple-week trip and never left. He moved to Alaska after that. He was a young guy, been there like 30 years now. So follow your dreams. And if you don't know what your dreams are, follow your favorite hobbies or pastimes. Maybe it's electronics and stuff like that. Go where all the best stuff for electronics are at. That side of the country. Engineering. If you like Florida and the beach, there's plenty of locals down there in Florida. Go down there and turn out. Start your own union company in Florida. We're gonna run all the non-union companies out of there. Then we can up the scale, up the pay, which is what the IBEW has been doing everywhere when they can. Better benefits, better retirement, better wages. Yep, I'll leave it at that. Anyway, I'll make another video here pretty soon. I wanted to make one. Keep you guys posted on what's going on. So, all right. Love you, brothers. Any of you sisters out there, give me a thumbs up. Brothers, give me a thumbs up. I'm making these videos, and sometimes I don't know if anybody even watches them. If you watch it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. Love you. That's all I got for today. Everybody have a safe day. Goodbye.